Zhejiang Hui Wen Mei Stove Company Limited. We manufacturing fuel-efficient, clean biomass cook stoves. Now there are 2 factories, Unit 1 and Unit 2, with a total area of 29,800 square meters. We are currently in the 3rd rebuilding and expansion in SSM's history. Our stove manufacturing capacity will increase to 2 million stoves annually. Our main office building holds new product research and development, production logistics, sales, and after-sales service. In product exhibition room, displaying stove designs produced by SSM throughout our history. There are wood stoves, charcoal stoves, and pellets stoves. Here are the important awards we have won in China and abroad. The pictures on the wall show our significant milestones and global partners. In order to ensure that our stove parts are produced according to the design requirements, we have independently developed advanced automatic production equipment. This machine combines several steps such as cutting, rolling, welding, and beating, which greatly improves the consistency of metal parts and reduces labor hours. Our new laboratory that was built in 2019 in accordance with the latest ISO 19867 standard, we test the thermal efficiency, emissions, and durability of our stoves to provide scientific basis for further design improvements. SSM has strict quality control standards. Before shipping, products are tested again and go through a final visual inspection.